Hello friends, my name is Apurva Kumar Sannal. I am working in ADS Foundation as an academic head, welding and fabrication. In welding, there are two sections, fusion welding and non-fusion welding. In fusion welding, there are many processes, but in industries, we are using 4 processes. MMAW, manual metal arc welding, also known as SMAW, shielded metal arc welding, TIG welding, tungsten inert gas welding, or GTAW, gas tungsten arc welding. MIG, metal inert gas welding, also known as GMAW, gas metal arc welding. SAW, submerged arc welding. These 4 processes are going on in our industries in India and abroad. So we can start welding for MMAW. We are sticking on that. In MMAW, there are a basic rule that is called 4 essentials of arc welding for students, for welders. In 4 essentials of arc welding, there are 4 things. Number 1, correct. Number 2, correct arc length. Number 3, correct current and voltage. Number 4, correct travel speed. So we can get back to correct electrode. Correct electrode depends on diameter of electrode, welding position, mechanical properties of the base metal, joint type and current value. These parameters have to be followed for good quality weldment. Number 2, correct arc length. I can show you arc length. Arc length, this is called arc length of electrode. And correct arc length depends. Correct arc length depends on this. Correct arc length is very important for good quality welding. Hence, uniform arc length needs great amount of skill. Maintain this arc length between 2 to 3 millimeter. Third, correct current and voltage. These are electrical parameters, are of great importance in order to get good quality weldments. And thumb rule of current setting is diameter of electrode into 40 plus minus 20. Number 4 is correct travel speed. Travel speed plays very important role to obtain quality welding. Travel speed should be optimum for welding. You can see the example of correct travel speed. This is an example of correct travel speed. See how good is welding quality because of these 4 essentials. Okay, stop करो again देना.